What if you had access to a straightforward financial superpower that has been known for generations by the wealthy? It's not a difficult trick or a dangerous secret. The safest and most effective method of accumulating actual wealth is compound interest. If you follow along, you will discover how to harness this potent force to your advantage in just a few minutes. Please be aware that I am not a financial advisor before we start. This video is only meant to be entertaining and educational. This isn't individualized financial guidance. Before making any investment decisions, always conduct your own research and think about consulting a qualified expert. Risks associated with investing include the possibility of losing your money. What is it? Let's simplify it. Let's say you sow one money seed. That seed grows a few dollars the following year. The following year, however, it grows on both the seed and the money it has already generated, not just the original seed. Your funds begin to generate income on their own. Compound interest is what causes this snowball effect. It's simply math that works for you over time. It's not magic. The secret that most people overlook is that getting started early is more crucial than having a lot of money. The person who starts saving 10 years earlier may wind up with hundreds of thousands more dollars if two people save the same amount. Why? Because compound interest is fueled by time. It takes years for your money to develop from a tiny seed into a massive tree. You'll lose out on more of that potent growth over time the longer you wait. So, how do you begin? It's easier than you might imagine. You don't need a lot of cash. For short-term objectives, open a high-yield savings account. For long-term objectives, open a retirement account. Next, invest regularly in a cheap index fund, which is similar to purchasing a small portion of the entire stock market. To ensure you never forget, set up automatic transfers. The secret is to start with what you can and let time take care of the rest. Keep in mind that this is not a sprint but a marathon. It is normal for the stock market to fluctuate. Compound interest requires patience to build wealth. It's one of the most dependable ways to accumulate wealth, but it's neither ostentatious nor quick. Yesterday was the ideal time to begin. Today is the next best time. The little actions you take now will be appreciated by your future self. Do your future self a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe to Monetive if this straightforward approach made sense to you. To ensure you don't miss our upcoming video, in which we explain yet another basic money concept, turn on notifications. Thank you for viewing, and now go increase your income.